I'll show you 5 ways on how you can actually use AI to help you become a more successful trader. And the last one would be my absolute favorite. It's an absolute game changer. I'm gonna show you everything here on my iPad, okay? The first way you can use AI is to use it as a market screener or stock screener. So I'm gonna open this app called Moomoo, okay? It's the broker, it's the stock broker that I use. If you want to check it out too, I'll put link in the description and pin comment. So I'll go to this app first and then tap onto this icon over here, which is an AI tool that allows you to screen for stocks. Let's say you want to find out, okay, which are the top industries that will benefit from AI. So just key in the prompt, and then it's going to show you all the industries that's going to benefit from AI, which is one of the mega trends in the next 10 years. It's just like back in the internet era. Right now it is AI, but with that said, don't just buy any AI stock, okay? So when you're screening for stocks, you can screen based on industry outlook, sector outlook, but you can also screen based on economic policy impacts. So let's say the Fed decides to raise interest rates. You can also ask the AI, which are the companies that's going to benefit from this monetary policy change. You can also pair this with a more proper stock screener, and then you screen based on fundamental data, technical data, and also market cap volume. And you can also add manual screening because there are many ways to scan for stocks, right? Screen for stocks. You can also look at your own personal life. What are you experienced in? What do you use when you go to shopping? What are the shops that are always crowded? These are some of the ways that you can generate stock ideas. Now, the second way you can use AI for trading is let AI analyze stocks and also compare between companies, between asset classes. One way you can do it is you can compare the fundamentals of 2 companies. Especially if you can't decide between, okay, do I want NVDA stock, Tesla stock? There are certain stocks that I just wouldn't touch. Despite how hot it is, because it's so overvalued, that's why I wouldn't touch it. But anyway, you can also let AI analyze and summarize the balance sheet, income statement of a company. So let's say you have a stock that you like. What you need to do is just type out this prompt so that the AI can summarize the financial statement of the company for you. Especially if you didn't come from an accounting background, finance background. Even for me back in university, it took me 2 years to get used to accounting statements and all that. But with that said, I also have financial statements lessons on my YouTube channel. Or you can use AI to give you a comprehensive review of a company. So I studied finance in university, and I also took some business modules. And one of the common ways to analyze a company is to use this technique called SWOT analysis, meaning you look at the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of a company. You can also ask AI to do this for you. Do a SWOT analysis of certain company that you like. And of course, you can also ask the AI, is it a good time to buy certain stock? But with that said, AI is not perfect. Try not to rely on AI to give you signals, because a lot of times, based on experience, I use AI every day. It can be wrong so many times. Sometimes I don't understand where they plug that random information from. If you use AI every day, you realize that certain things, you know more, you have more information than the AI itself. So use AI as an assistant, not like a signal provider, okay? Because you know, you have something that AI doesn't have. The gut feeling, the experience, the wisdom. AI can only give you information, but doesn't have that wisdom that us humans have. Next way you can use AI for trading is you can use AI for technical analysis. For example, again, go to this app and then you can tell the AI to perform technical analysis on a certain chart that you're looking at. Then AI will scan the chart and then monitor all the other factors within the chart itself, and then it's going to give you its opinion. And also if you use chart patterns, okay? Now this is a very cool AI tool. This is also available in TradingView, but I'm showing you the Moomoo app, okay? Because the thing is, it's free. And I realized that so many things over here in this free app, you gotta pay for it in other websites. I'm not gonna mention the website, but it is very famous and a lot of people pay for it when you can get it here for free. Okay, back to this tool that I was talking about. It's called Pattern Finder. So when you tap onto it, you can see many different patterns: double top, triple bottom, heads and shoulders. So let's say if you pick a pattern that you like, it also shows you how profitable this pattern has been for the past 1 month, for the past 1 year in overall. And this data is available in a very expensive book that I bought for like hundreds of dollars. It's a book about chart patterns. I'm sure you know which book it is, but it's free here. And in addition to that, it goes one more step. It shows you which stock at this point in time today is developing that pattern right now. And it gives you a list of stocks, which is better than TradingView. And another tool I want to show you, okay, it's all under the same tab. You just go to markets, okay, you see this area called trend projection. Now, if you click into it, okay, you can see these are the forecasted price movements. So what this tool does is that it uses algorithms to analyze historical chart patterns and forecast potential future trends. Of course, again, don't rely blindly on AI to help you make buy or sell decisions, okay? Because it's going to affect your psychology. If you don't have conviction when you're holding a trade, you're going to do stupid things once your trade is open. Saying this based on experience. Next way you can use AI for trading is to backtest trading strategies. Let's say if you have a certain trading strategy, you can also ask the AI based on market trends to backtest this current trading strategy of yours. Or if you know coding, you can also go a step further and then ask AI to give you a code so that you can backtest your trading strategy. Now this final tool, if you use ChatGPT, which is free too, you can use AI to calculate the lot size for you, to do risk management for you. So if you're a forex trader, for example, you can just go to ChatGPT, key in this prompt, okay? What currency am I trading right now? What is my risk percentage per trade? 1%, 2%, or 3%? What is my stop loss level? And then finally, what is your account balance? Then ChatGPT will calculate the right lot size for you, and then you just key in that number. So if you want to check out Moomoo, I'll put the link in the description and pin comment so you can check it out, okay? I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.